am an online English teacher. I have been teaching English for over 4 years now, and I love helping students grow in confidence as they overcome difficulties. I specialize in teaching learners of all ages, of all levels. My lessons are fun, engaging, and customized to meet your goals. Whether you're learning English for school, work, travel, or just for fun, I am here to help you every step of the way. In my classes, we use games, pictures, conversations, and real-life examples. I'll help you with speaking, reading, writing, and listening. I am patient, friendly, and I like to create a safe space for my students to speak and make mistakes, because that's how we learn. So if you're ready to start learning English in a fun and easy way, book a lesson with me today. I can't wait to help you on your English learning journey. Hope to see you soon. Bye!